This is a bit of backstory on policeman Newton Bentley, who was shot and killed in Spanish Town on Wednesday morning the 29th of July.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A policeman was shot dead in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Wednesday morning, July 29. He has been identified as 59-year-old Newton Bentley. Reports are that about 7 a.m. Gunshots were heard coming from the National Water Commission sewage treatment plant in the Innswood Village section of the Old Capital. Upon investigation, Bentley's body was found in a pool of blood with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. His licensed 9mm pistol is believed to have been stolen. It is reported that Mr. Bentley was working as a security guard at the sewage plant. Bentley was set to retire from the Jamaica Constabulary Force in August. He has been on suspension from the force for the past 18 years and was freed by the Court of Appeal of a charge of perverting the course of justice in March of this year. Of note, in 2002, Bentley was charged with carnal abuse but was acquitted by a jury in 2008. Bentley, while awaiting trial, was charged with perverting the course of justice. He was accused of kidnapping the complainant so as to prevent her from testifying against him. He was found guilty of the charge and he appealed against his conviction and sentence. During his appeal hearing, attorney at law Kemar Robinson, who was instructed by Queen's Counsel Peter Champagny, argued that the parish judge, in convicting Bailey, had misquoted the evidence and also erred in finding that he had prevented the complainant from attending court. The Court of Appeal upheld the submissions and freed Bentley. In 2012, he also testified in court that he heard Constable Rashawn Hamilton telling at least 2 cellmates at the Central Police Station that he killed 14-year-old JhaneelGoulbourne. Bentley, who was being held at the station, said he heard Hamilton on 2 separate occasions, confessing to the men. One of Hamilton's cellmates also gave evidence in the trial before the Home Circuit Court. According to Bentley, he was in the cell in October of 2008 when he heard Hamilton telling an Indian man about the killing. Bentley told the court that Hamilton said, quote, "I take the penny out to sea and kill her and throw her off. There was something about a block, about using a block to sink her," he added. Bentley said that sometime after he overheard Hamilton confessing to another cellmate that he murdered the girl at sea and dumped her body. He said that Hamilton told the cellmate that the girl was begging each of the men who had taken her out to sea not to kill her. At one stage, they decided to throw her overboard alive, but one of them said that would be too cruel. She would suffer too much. They placed a block around her. They, at least one of them, decided to kill her, Bentley testified. Hamilton reportedly shot the teen and dumped her overboard. He said also that he heard Hamilton telling the cellmate that his girlfriend had washed his bloody clothes after him killed the picnic and that the girlfriend will not let him down. Bentley's evidence was in line with what a witness testified about Hamilton's alleged confession of killing the girl. The teen disappeared following a complaint to the police, which led to Hamilton being charged with carnal abuse. It was alleged that Hamilton was in a relationship with the teen. A witness also testified that he was present when armed men snatched Goulbourne from her gate in Arborview. The witness told the court that on the night of October 24, 2008, he was standing with Janeel at her gate when a Hiace bus drove up. He said a man in the bus pointed a gun at them and told them to get into the van. The witness said he ran and observed the gunman putting Janeel in the van. Constable Hamilton was charged in 2009 with abduction and murder following a ruling from the Director of Public Prosecutions. The then 27-year-old Hamilton was sentenced to life imprisonment at hard labor in March of 2013 and will have to serve 35 years of his sentence before becoming eligible for parole.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.